Hi, Eric.
Hi.
I haven't seen you guys at many shows, but I haven't had a chance to visit your shop yet. I'm very happy to be here today. Could you introduce yourself and give me a tour?
Yeah, well, we're very happy to have you, and we are very excited to show you our shop. We started, it's called Ekins Garage because we started in our garage, what is it, 17 years ago? And
2009.
man, it's been fun ever since, and we make some great new people, friends like you, and some great customers along the way, and we're excited to show you the shop.
All right. Please show me around.
Yeah, come on in. Well, this is it. This is one of our latest ones we just finished. We just had it at Autorama. It's a 1974 Ford Bronco. We painted it this gorgeous blue color. It's actually a Ford blue from like 1973. We actually picked a little bit of a different wheel for this. We went with a race line wheel, and then we powder coated it. It's called bronze chrome, just to give it that little bit of a different accent look. And the customer on this wanted off-road style, so we did the off-road bumpers, we did winch, we did light bars. It's ready for use, built for off-road. Can't wait to see this one out on the trail.
Can you tell me another car?
Yeah, so this one is a very cool one. This customer actually, it's his retirement present to himself. So it's a 1951 Chevy, and he wanted it kind of old school, traditional. We got a small block 350. It's got a carburetor on it. It's got a turbo 350 transmission. This car, kind of unique. He came in, he wanted it silver and with all black. And then I had the 59 Apache in the shop, and he saw it and he said, I want you to scrap everything, whatever I told you to do on my truck. And he goes, I want you to clone the Apache to this truck. So we did. It's got the candy brandywine paint. It's got all the chrome grille, chrome bumpers. It's got a wood bed in the bed that is very unique. It's actually aluminum. So this company makes aluminum bedwood kits, and man, it just matches the paint very well. Looks very good.
Looks so nice.
Yes.
How about this car right here?
Yes, this is an awesome car, 1968 Camaro. Customer came to me and wanted me to match his Harley Davidson, believe it or not. So we kind of went with the Harley paint. We went with the all blacked out look, black trim, black wheels. It's got a LS3 engine in it, 6-speed automatic transmission, full black interior, hideaway headlight grille. It's got the fiberglass tucked bumpers on it. Got the cowl hood. And then if you come around to the inside, I'll show you the inside. It's all black. He wanted all black on this car. Everything in there is black.
Wow, looks so amazing.
Yeah, this car is very nicely done.
So what's your next project?
So we've got a couple in the shop here. We've got a Mustang that's just in for some repair. We've got 65 Corvette we're doing. Got a new chassis on it. It's got an LS engine, 4-speed automatic transmission. We've got this really cool 69 Mustang we're working on. It's got a John Kazi Boss 572. Got to be around 800 horsepower, naturally aspirated. Man, it just looks amazing. Such a beast of a motor.
That looks so sick. I love it.
But a lot of people don't see how they come about. So this car's gutted. It's going on the rotisserie right now. We're getting ready to do the final little bit of bodywork and primering, and then it's going to be painted a dark metallic gray. It's going to look so good.
I can't wait to see that one done. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice car. It's going to be a lot of horsepower in that car.
How about this one right here?
This is kind of unique. You don't see a lot of wagons getting built, but this is commissioned by a customer out of California. He wanted a wagon. This actually was his mom's car back in 1963, and came from a dealership out there in California. And he's into wagons, and this is probably where his love started with wagons. We're building this car. It's got a full Speed Tech chassis that should be here any day. We've got a pretty big motor going in it. It's a Godzilla 7.3 liter, about almost 700 horsepower in that car. It's going to be a fun fun wagon, something different. And that's what makes it unique is these customers want what they want, and this is what he wants. And it's going to be awesome when it's done. The motor's right over here. Stack injection, it just looks good in there. And that's one of his requests. He wanted to have a stack injection motor, and man, that thing's going to look amazing in there.
Yeah, looks so cool. I love it. Looks so nice.
Yeah, they're good engines.
How about the truck right now?
Yes, that truck means a lot to me. That's my baby. That's a 1970 Chevy short bed. And we've done something a little bit different with that. It's got a modern chassis on it. So it's on a 2009 Tahoe chassis. And it has a built 6.2, 525 horse. It's got a 6-speed automatic transmission, Be-Cool fan, radiator assembly. Just gives you all that old school look, but it has all the modern performance. And we sell all of the kit to put this body onto these chassis, and that's what's on this display board here. So anybody can have this. This truck's actually for sale right now. So if there's somebody out there that's looking for one, this is the one you want.
Tell them about the fog lights.
Oh yeah, so something that's unique to our shop here is we design parts here, and this is one we've designed. So I made a bracket that replaces the factory park light, and it gives you the ability to add some running lights or fog lights. It also retains the park light function because these are amber LEDs, so you don't lose that function as well. They've come around to the inside. I've kind of tried to modernize it up a little bit too, so we use a newer seat out of a 24 Silverado, and kind of gives it that modern, newer look. Again, it's still under construction, but I try to make it more just friendlier to drive, better reliability, more comfortable to drive, so you want to drive it more.
How about for that Corvette right now?
Yeah, so that's sitting on a new chassis, because a lot of customers, they like the old school look, but they want it to drive better, stop better, steer better, and that's exactly what we try to do here. This car has a modern chassis, LS3 engine, 4L70 transmission, so it's making 430 horse, probably around 100, 130 more than it had when it was brand new. 4-speed automatic should be plenty for this car. It's going to be a nice driver. The customer just wants to enjoy it with the reliability of fuel injection and the automatic transmission and a good handling steering and suspension and brake setup, and that's exactly what we're giving them.
That's so cool. So can you tell me how many awards do you have?
Oh yes, we love going to car shows. We wish we had more time to go to those car shows, but we kind of got to split the time between working and going to shows. But we've got a trophy case in the lobby that's full, and we're always looking forward to the next one. So we can look at those, and you can see all those.
Okay, we'll let, we have to go there and see how amazing your bathroom is.
Yeah, well.
Yes, it's a little ridiculous.
All the decorations in here go to my wife Valerie. She does all of that, and man, it's kind of unique, just something different. We wanted to. She went with a gas station theme in here, and I think she nailed
we
it
need
perfect.
to show.
Yep.
So cool, I love it.
Yeah, something different. We just wanted to be different and something cool you're not used to seeing, and I think this is perfect.
You can go to the front.
Even everything on the walls here is just unique to us, and just places we've been. Indy 500, Bonneville Salt Flats, cruising cars up in Park City, a couple of our friends' garages up there on the wall. So just everything means a lot to us in here, and we've just tried to make it something different and just give you that good first impression when you walk in and you're in the right place. And all the banners you notice on the ceiling, so those are all the cars we've done a full restoration on, full build on. Everything that is on the roof came from this shop.
Well, let's show them the other bathroom.
Oh yes, we got to see this other bathroom too then. This is, again, unique to us. It's our Henry Ford bathroom. So it's got Henry Ford quotes in there, and
Looks so cool. I love it.
Yeah, those are all the old tools we got with the Model T right there. So they were in the back of it.
That's your son, huh?
Those are our kids,
Yep,
yeah.
and Biscuit, our dog. He's always with us.
This is an actual manual out of a 29, right?
Yeah, Ford.
And this got 3D printed at the Henry Ford Museum. That's such a cool place to visit. Any car person needs to put that on their bucket
Yep,
list.
yep.
And then all the award you get right here, huh? Wow.
Yeah, so we have high ceilings here. So it was actually my wife's idea to put a shelf up there, and we just started hanging them, and it looks good up there. Yeah, each award is very special to us.
Derek, tell them about this car.
And then there's our trophy case. Some of the top 10s we've won, some best paint, some just some great awards in that case right there.
You have too many awards.
There's no such thing. This is kind of cool. Check this out. So this car is probably the car that started it all for us. This was back in 2009, 2010. I built this car in 2008, finished it in 2009. This is we call it snake bitten. And this was a dream of mine to come up with a different Chrysler 300. And I put a Dodge Viper V10 engine in it, and I put a manual, 6-speed manual transmission in it, which these cars only came automatic. And I put the Viper rear end in it, and it was just something that I wanted, and it came about because that's what I wanted. So I actually sold it to a good friend of mine. It's up in Bountiful now, and he enjoys it. It lets me borrow it whenever I want, and that was a fun car. And that's probably the car that started it all for Ekins Garage.
If you've restored a car, you know it's an extremely long process. There's a lot to it. So something we do is take pictures along the way, and when we're done, I make a book. We called it a build book. And these are some that we've done. And we give one to the owner, and we keep one. So on the first page, it just talks about how it turned out, the specs, and then it's just how it started all along the way, the paint process. So kind of cool little thing we do here, just a little extra for our customers.
Looks so cool. All right. Thank you for amazing experience.
Thank you so much for
Thank you so
coming.
much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. We're honored.